homesickness, long ago revealed as a fraudulent delusion. I don't care where I am alone. It doesn't matter across what streets, into what house I drag myself, and my shopping basket, a house that doesn't know I'm there, like a hospital or barracks. I don't care who sees me lie like a caged lion, snarling slowly, nor from what society they trust me, force me out into my own eternal solitude, a polar bear in tropic water. I don't care where I am hurt, nor where I am insulted. I do not love my native tongue. It's weak, breastfed attraction. I'm indifferent to the words in which someone misunderstands me. Someone who reads magazines and thrives on gossip columns. He is a 20th-century man. My own age was never numbered. Struck down a rolling log that marked the path, not forgotten. And I don't care. All things are strange, all facts. And perhaps what once was the closest is the strangest of all. All signs upon me, all traces and dates seem wiped away. A soul born somewhere or other. My homeland cares so little for me, and the clever slow may search my soul. He will find no birthmark. Each house is strange, each altar bare, and I don't care, it doesn't matter. But if beside the autumn road I see a rowan tree,